Welcome, in front of me I have ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can change notification sound. You have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the sound. And next we have to go simply for the ringtones. Focus on the notification tone. Currently it's set up on the doorbell, but we can change, for example, for the glow. You can click OK to confirm, and you can also set your own music or record as your notification sound. But of course, in my case, there is nothing here, so I cannot select and tap OK, but it will be looks the same like in the notification tone that you got default on your smartphone, and you have to tap OK. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.